Hello everyone, my name is Jamin. Thanks so much for visiting my channel. In this video, I have a Lenovo Yoga 730. I'm going to show you how to get inside, access your speakers. So first thing, power down your computer through the start menu. Make sure it's off and unplugged from your charger. We're then going to flip your computer over to access your bottom case screws. Now you have 10 screws on the bottom case that you need to remove. After doing so, you'll take a small, flat, plastic pry tool and you'll go across the entire seam of the bottom case and gently pry it up from the rest of your computer. It's generally best to start out back near one of the two hinges and go in one direction. If you get stuck, leave it, go to the other side and continue in the other direction. Also, don't put the pry tool too far in. You could damage some internal components. Just keep it on the edge, go nice and slow but firm, and you'll be able to get that bottom case off. Once you do, this is what you're looking at for the inside of your computer. Now, as a general computer repair side note, whenever I'm working on a computer in my shop, it's sitting on an anti-static mat. Either that or an anti-static bracelet are great ideas to avoid damaging anything in your computer when you're working on it. If you would like help with tools or supplies for your project, as well as any replacement or upgrade parts for this specific model computer, I will have a link above, also below in the description, and it will be a list of all those tools and supplies and the replacement parts for this specific Yoga 730. Now, before touching anything in a computer, it's always wise to remove or at least unplug your battery. Computers are safest to work on when as little power as possible is running through them. This is your battery right down here. It's held in by these 4 screws and plugs into the motherboard right here. Now, as goes for any cable or wire in a computer, try to avoid pulling on the wire if at all possible. You could damage it or sometimes pull it right out of the plug. So what you want to do, if at all possible, is grab the plug itself and wiggle it out of the motherboard port. Now, in this case, this one didn't have a whole lot of grip on either side, so I did have to grab the wire just a little bit, but I tried to grab it along with the plug and wiggle it out slowly so as not to damage it. Your speakers are right down here. You have one near the left corner of my screen, one near the right corner of my screen. Now, these speakers are not screwed down. You can see the purple rubber washers over these posts for sound insulation. That's all that's holding them down. So if you need to get them up, you can just wiggle those right off. This speaker on the left of my screen does not plug into the motherboard itself. Through all of these threading, all the way to the right speaker, and the right speaker plugs into the motherboard right here. If you are looking to remove this speaker, be very careful not to pull on that wire. Speaker wires are very fragile. Just pull on that plug to get it out of that port. And another word of caution, once you take these out, remember to run these wires exactly as they're supposed to be. So either pause this video if you have the same exact model, or take a picture of your computer, but you want to run these exactly as it's supposed to be run so that when you put the bottom case on, it doesn't pinch those wires and damage them. I will try to have a speaker replacement option for you below in that link I told you about with all of the replacement parts for this model computer. And I guess the last thing to mention about this kind of an operation, if you're having sound quality issues, if your sound is not consistent across different platforms, your speakers could be bad and you can look into that, but more likely it's a system or a driver issue. Try to make sure those are all updated before trying an invasive repair like this. I will have a video tutorial link below in the description. It'll show you how to make sure all your drivers and your system are updated so you can try that first. But that's the end of this video, how to get inside your Yoga 730 and access your speakers. Thanks again so much for watching. Please remember to like and share if this helped you out, if you think it can help someone else out. And feel free to subscribe if you enjoy DIY computer content like this, or if you just want to keep me on hand to answer any of your future computer questions. I do try to answer all questions throughout my channel at least a couple times a day. Also, feel free to check out the related links section below in the description. From time to time, I do try to add things in there that I think will help you with your general computer life, make it more productive, more enjoyable. So thanks again for watching, everyone. I look forward to seeing you on my next video.